The sun dips low and the stars ignite. I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter's a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of truth, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I'll find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of truth, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I'll find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. And when the night falls and the world fades away, we'll write our own story, let the moments sway. With every heartbeat, our love will ignite. In the soft glow of twilight, you make everything right. Through the laughter and silence, through every embrace, I see my reflection in your loving face. In the dance of forever, we're lost in the night. In the warmth of your love, everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I'll find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the moments, to the love that we share. In the tapestry of life, I'll always find you there. With every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, my darling, is where our love lies. In your eyes, my love forever will be. In the story of us, you're my everything.
In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we'll find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a garden song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, voice into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us. We'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. We'll chase to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons. Together we're home. We're chasing horizons. Chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll silently free. Oh, we're chasing horizons. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll finally free. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, underneath the silver moon, our hearts align. In the quiet of the night, your eyes shine. Every whispered secret, every soft embrace. With you by my side, I found my place. The world fades away, it's just you and me. In this moment, I'm finally free. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. Days turn into nights, seasons change, but my love for you will never feel strange. Through every storm and sunny day, I promise to love you in every way. Your laughter is my melody, sweet as a song. In the symphony of love, we both belong. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. When the night is dark and the road feels long, I'll be your light, your favorite song. Hand in hand through thick and thin, with every heartbeat, our love will begin. We'll write our story, page by page. With love as our ink, we'll break every cage. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. So take my hand and hold it tight. In this dance of love, we find our light. Through every heartbeat, in joy and in strife. With you, my darling, I found my life. Forever we'll dance, make this moment last. In the book of our love, we'll write our own cast. Our hearts in sync, a beautiful trance. Together forever in this eternal dance. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms.
The sun dips low and the stars ignite. I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter's a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's